Let's solve the given equation. To eliminate the fraction in this equation, we will find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2 and 3 will give us, let's divide through by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. We bring down 3. Let's divide through again by 3. Bring down 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Therefore, LCM of the denominator is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 6. 6 times x minus 1 all over 2 minus 6 times x minus 2 all over 3 is equal to 6 times 1. Simplifying, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 6 times 1 will still give us 6. Writing, we have 3 times x minus 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 6. Let's expand the bracket. 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. Minus 2 times x will give us minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4, which is also equal to 6. Rearranging the equation, we have 3x minus 2x plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 6. 3x minus 2x will give us x, and 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So we have x plus 1 is equal to 6. Let's now subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. X plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So we have x plus 0 will still give us x. And 6 minus 1 will give us 5. Now we are left with x to be equal to 5. X equal to 5 satisfies the above equation.